All right. So good afternoon, Wonder VAs. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome to our very special session today that will discuss how to handle daily stress and fatigue. All right. So by the way, my name is Glenna and I'd like to introduce my co-host for today, our CMO, Miss Maan. Say hi, Ma'am.
Good afternoon. We're going to have today our webinar on how to handle daily stress and fatigue. So, kailangan talaga natin ito kasi alam naman natin sometimes even though some of us are working remotely, we're actually encountering stress and fatigue. So,
Yes. Madaming source ng stress and fatigue, and then kailangan din natin hindi lang sa mga virtual, kasi kahit naman yung mga regular lang mga tao na working din outside, on-site, nakakaramdam ng stress and fatigue. So guys, welcome sa ating mga attendees na nasa 31 na po ngayon, and then are we live na po ba sa Facebook? We're still setting up our live sa Facebook. So yeah,
we're
guys,
live.
we're live, ma'am.
Yes, we are live on Facebook.
So, hi sa mga Facebook watchers natin dyan. So, kamusta kayong lahat and happy Saturday. So, yeah, guys, bigyan nyo naman kami ng like reaction dyan para makita namin yung mga attendees namin na nandito sa Zoom. Ayan, marami and thank you po sa inyo. So, bago natin simulan, gusto ko, excited akong ipakilala sa inyo ang ating speaker for today. So without further ado, let's get ready to be inspired, Wonder VAs. For today, we will have the privilege of learning from a seasoned professional with a unique blend of skills with over 7 years of experience, guys. In corporate training and delivering engaging classroom programs as both a champion Toastmaster speaker and an independent film actress. So she brings a dynamic and captivating approach to communication and presentation. So prepare to captivate by her insights. Please join me in welcoming our fantastic training for today, Miss Minty Salonga.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Good
Good afternoon.
afternoon from Cervantes, Ilocos Sur.
Mabuhay!
Meron bang taga Ilocos Sur dyan?
Meron bang taga Ilocos Sur? Like naman po kayo dyan. May mga taga Ilocos Sur. May mga kabati ba kayo dyan?
Ayun.
Ayan, may mga nag-like. Heart.
Hello.
So yan, kamusta po, Miss Minty?
Mabuting mabuti. Thank you for the introduction. Hindi mo na itatanong. Nag-aral ako sa UP Los Baños upang ang course ko doon ay business. Tapos napunta ako sa show business.
Yes.
Lapit, di ba?
Naiintriga nga po ako doon.
Naging road manager ako ni na Geneva Cruz, Donna Cruz.
Wow.
Pag tumibok ang puso. Yan.
Kapanahunan po nila. Yes, ma'am.
Saka sina Kulidesma, Geneva, si Mikey Kawangko. And then I went into corporate. I was an office administrator and HR person sa isang IT company for 17 years.
Wow.
And then I went into corporate training. Tapos, lahat ng mga bangko, mga telecoms, naging kliyente namin. And then, dumating ang pandemic.
Pandemic hits.
Pandemic. So, di ba, kagaya ng lahat, tayo nasa balag ng alanganin, hindi natin malaman kung anong mangyayari. So, we moved here to Ilocos Sur in a village. And here, I studied energy management. And isi-share ko lang sa inyo yung ating background. Ayan. Sana makita ko siya. Okay. Okay, so welcome to our Stress and Fatigue Buster workshop. At natutuwa ako na naimbita ako ni na Glenna at ni Maan dito sa inyong gathering. And I hope I can share something that you can use every day kasi talaga yung stress and fatigue. Tandem yan no? Masyadong sikat. Masyadong sikat yan. Para silang twins na, wag naman wonder twins. Terrible twins yan. Na kailangan nating ma-address.
Yes po.
Okay. So, inform ko lang kayo, lahat nung ipe-present ko or lahat ng slides and materials are copyrighted and cannot be recorded, copied, or including screenshots or used in any way without permission from BeLife Institute of Higher Consciousness. At itong i-share kong mga techniques ay dinesign, pinag-aralang maigi ng ni Master Delpe, and here I will introduce you to him.
Master Delpe is internationally known as the guru who wears many hats. His background is very diverse and rich with the alchemy of the best of Eastern wisdom and Western knowledge. Some know him by different trades as a spiritual master, miraculous healer, life mentor, martial arts master, a world expert of meditation and the 8 types of yoga, a humanitarian, engineer, international speaker, philanthropist, and spiritual entrepreneur. An author of 12 books centered on self-development and self-mastery, he has created over 200 courses taught under his 3 international organizations: the Wisdom Institute for Leadership and Global Advancement, the World Institute for Incurable Diseases, and BeLife Institute for Higher Consciousness. His expertise in world philosophies, world religion, and world culture are direct learning and experience, living in many cultures and traveling to over 100 countries while teaching and healing over 400,000 clients globally. Considered as a modern sage by his students around the world and a life mentor to CEOs, corporations, world leaders, and governments, Master Delpe has dedicated his life to training students globally on spirituality, balanced life strategies, and leadership through wisdom. Many international students also come to his MDP Village Resort for healing, spiritual apprenticeship, spiritual retreats, and certification to become a trainer or specialist themselves. Master Delpe is mostly known by his students as the one who trains disciples to master life ahead of its time.
Mastery of life is mastery of basics. Yan ang sabi ni Master. Pag-usapan natin yung stress and fatigue dahil yung sinasabi ni Master na mastery of life is mastery of basics. Ano ba yung basics na kailangan natin para ma-address natin yung stress and fatigue? So for our program today, for my talk, Glenna, ikaw na bahala sa mga comments or questions. I-alert mo na lang ako.
Yes po.
Okay, and then I will share my slides. Let me open it. Okay, for our program today, kinondense ko to, dapat 4 hours to, Glenna, eh. So, medyo pinahirapan mo ako sa 1 hour, Pwede mag-extend. Sige. Get revitalized fast and rejuvenate. Kasi mga simpleng techniques lang yung pag-aaralan natin. Tapos lahat ng level. Physical, emotional, mental, may spiritual pang kasama. So you can calm your emotions anytime by using the breathing techniques na pag-aaralan natin today. Makakalma. Pag si client toxic, si boss toxic, asa na yung mga pinapagawa ko sa inyo in whatever language ng boss mo, or ng client mo. So you can use this technique also. Tapos, importante sa trabaho natin yung makakonsentrate tayo sa maraming bagay at a time. Tama? Sensitize your awareness, tapos sustain yung focus para makita natin lahat ng bagay sabay-sabay. Parang tayong helicopter pilot. Nakita natin yung buong picture kesa as compared to a taxi driver na nasa kalye. And then, awaken your spiritual powers kasi meron tayong magfo-focus tayo sa mga energy centers natin sa ating katawan para ma-stimulate yung faculties natin. And, oy, gusto niyo ba itong huli? Lose weight sustainably. Yes! Raise your hand! Raise your hand. Pati pa. Okay, lose weight sustainably at napakasimple lamang ng ating pamamaraan. Kasi yung metabolic process natin, kailangan nasa balanced state, helping you to feel awake and alive every day. Kailangan yung awake kasi lalo na kayo, marami kayong iba-ibang time zones, right?
Tama po, yes.
Ayan. So, ito matutulungan bukod sa stress and fatigue, yung oxygen level natin, kailangan nating ma-elevate at ma-manage to improve your metabolism and increase your alkalinity rather than acidity. Kasi pag na-stress tayo, yung acid sa tiyan nag-activate. Tama? Kaya kailangan meron tayong mga pamamaraan. Yan. And sana naman wala yung depression and suicidal tendencies. Pag parang di mo na talaga kaya, gusto mo nang wakasan lahat. Sana wag naman tayong umabot doon, ano? We can also move away from that. Yan. Anti-aging. Sino ba yung mga may age? Kasi ako medyo senior citizen na ako, no? Sino ba yung mga over 40? Yan. Over 40, taas ng kamay. Meron ba? Ayun,
Meron
si
po. May mga
Brian.
nagtataas.
May
Ayan.
mga nagtataas.
At may
So,
nagawa.
importante, alam nyo, sa lahat, yung ating muscle tone and bone density as we grow older. Ulitin ko, muscle tone and bone density. Lahat ng ating gagawin depende sa muscles and bones. Kung di na tayo nakakatayo, wala na tayong magagawa. Tama? Mahirap yung magkaroon tayo ng injury or ng mga dinaramdam sa ating legs and feet. So, kailangan yung muscles and bones ay ma-maintain natin. So, pag ito ginawa nyo araw-araw or kung mamaya bibigay ko yung schedule, no? And be able to walk and jog kahit hanggang 70, 80. Nang hindi kayo na hihinga-hinga. Importante yon. Ngayon, ito pa, number 4. Kung si client or si boss ay nagmamaganda at mamabait, binigyan kayo ng ticket papunta dun sa abroad. Ayan, pati jet lag, kaya nitong i-address. No? You can pick up your energy in 5 minutes para kahit 10 oras yung flight, tapos, biglang may meeting na kaagad. Kayang-kaya natin yan. Now, for overcoming laziness and procrastination, maaari nating ma-address ito kasi full of energy tayo. Dahil, paano tayo magiging productive kung lelempot-lempot, tama? So, yan ang ating mga pag-aaralan ngayon. So, first part is, life is about energy. I hope you see yourselves not just as a physical being, but also as energy beings with many frequencies of vibration. May vitality, emotional, mental, and spiritual levels. So, makikita natin kung ano yung mga external and environmental sources of energy at ano ang relasyon nila sa ating health. You'll be amazed at specific power centers or chakras and their functions. At mafe-feel nyo ang effects ng maximizing and enhancing flow for good health. And that life is about energy. O energy, saan ba nanggagaling yung energy? Maraming sources at higit sa lahat, libre. Walang bayad. Oxygen! Kailangan natin ng oxygen to detoxify our blood and also allows the combustion or conversion of food into energy na tinatawag nating metabolism. So, kung kumain tayo ng junk food na hindi naman magamit ng ating katawan, so what's the point of eating? Kailangan tama rin yung kinakain natin, di ba? Oxygen is needed for the conversion of food. pati detox. Sino nang nakarinig ng word na prana? Taas ang kamay. Prana or chi? Wala. Pag nakaganito ba nakikita yung screen? Sa screen, hindi. Hindi naman pala. Okay. Wala nakakarinig pa ng prana?
Ako yata.
Bago. Okay. It's a Sanskrit word, no? It means bio-vitality. Nasa air siya. No? It's maliliit na, parang alam mo yung parang kitikite. So, kasi dito maganda yung air namin, ano? And when I face the sky, when I squint a little, nakikita ko parang may maliliit na gumagalaw-galaw na ganon. So, itong mga particles na to attaches itself to the oxygen molecule that you inhale. Tapos, sumasama sa inyong aura and increases your energetic power and vitality. Yan. Sunod naman yung sun. Alam nyo, si Haring Araw, maraming basher. Maraming basher. Kasi sasabihin, huwag ka magpa-araw, magparang ka, mag-shades ka. Lahat na lang parang iwas na iwas tayo, no? Lalo tayong Pilipino, no? Kasi mainit dito talaga sa atin. But, kung wala ang sun, patay na yung earth. Walang plants, wala tayong kakainin, pati animals patay. Kung meat eater man kayo, vegetarian po ako eh. So, walang plants, pati walang magkakabuhay dito sa ating earth kung wala ang sun. That's why kailangan natin ang sun. Ang skin natin makes its own vitamin D pag na-expose sa sun. Vitamin D helps to absorb calcium in the body. Now, bakit pa tayo iinom ng pill ng vitamin D kung libre naman? Ang ano ko lang is morning, no? Morning ang exposure. Huwag niyong tanghali, no? Saka mas maganda ang energy ng sunlight in the morning because it is disinfecting. Disinfecting. Yun nga mga baby, pinapaarawan natin eh. Bakit pag lumaki tayo, may iwas tayo sa araw? Diba? Importante yun for growth. And then, trees, very high conductor of energy. The trees get the energy from the ground. At itong energy na to galing sa earth, minerals, and water, also from sunlight. At saka, nagpo-produce ng oxygen ang tree. So, kung walang sun, walang tree, walang oxygen. Okay? Dead. Dead na tayo. Okay? So, yung energy ng sun, ibang klase siya. At ito yung nagbibigay ng buhay sa atin. That's why, pag wala ng araw, dapat pababa na rin yung activity natin. It's the signal of our body to slow down, to sleep, talk to our family, quality time. Hindi. Ngayon, lahat, 24/7 may ilaw tayo, may Netflix, may Spotify, lahat na si boss, tawag ng tawag, email, walang katapusan, hanggang 3 a.m., sumasagot ka. So, it's up to us how to handle all these daily stress and daily challenges. Water! Kailangan natin ng water. Cheers! Inom. Yun lang, yung mga bottled water ngayon, medyo hindi na natin, wala nang masyadong prana. No? Yung prana is the energy, it's the bio-vitality of all matter, of the air and the water. Lalo na pag microwave natin, oh no. Pinapatay na natin lahat ng energy ng water. Other sources are vitamins. Ito naman ay extracted from food. So, minsan, hindi naman natin kayang kumain ng 2 kilong gulay sa isang kainan. So, okay din yung vitamins, no? Taking them is also therapeutic dahil may energy din yan. Other sources of energy, people. Minsan, meron ba kayo nakakasalubong or nakakadaupang palad na parang ang pangit ng energy niya. Bigat, mabigat, no? Alam naman natin yung word, ang bigat ng taong yun. So, wala naman siyang ginagawa sa'yo. Pero, mabigat, no? When you hug stressed or angry people, they transfer stress energy to you. So, fist bump na lang. Kung alam niyo medyo toxic, hi, gano'n na lang. Wag na tayong mag-hug kasi baka ma-absorb pa natin. And sometimes, even houses or places have the medyo negative energy, no? Minsan, papasok tayo sa meeting room. Ay, ba't ang bigat? Yung pala nag-aaway na yung mga tao doon. So, it, it's felt, no? Even if you cannot see it, you feel it. Agree? Yes? Hmm. Okay. So, how do we experience the energy? So, sa air, yun, na i-inhale natin siya. As you breathe, you're bringing more prana. That's why we have to breathe properly. Hindi yung shallow breathing ang tawag doon, hanggang throat lang. Dapat hanggang abdomen. Mamaya ituturo ko sa inyo. Ha? So, hindi hanggang lungs lang, kailangan hanggang abdomen umaabot yung ating oxygen so that it can properly reach all the organs, lalo na sa brain natin para magawa niya yung kanyang trabaho bilang manager. Siya yung manager ng ating katawan. Next is emotional energy. O kagaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, minsan meron ng taong galit sa'yo pero hindi yan sinasabi pero mararamdaman. Okay? Nagigets mo, di ba? Especially in your stomach, no? Parang may yung instinct, yung gut instinct mo gumagana pag mga ganyan. Tapos parang medyo yung extreme effect naman yan is parang nahihilo ka or something. You can really communicate with emotional energy, yung passion natin, commitment natin, determination to do our job well comes from emotional energy. Now, yung mga tatamad-tamad, petics, procrastinating, people do not have the energy and will. Yung will, yung kagustuhan mong tapusin or yung sinabi mong tatapusin mo, gagawin mo. Nawala sila nung energy and will to commit. They do not feel motivated kasi wala silang energy. Ito pa, yung mental energy. Okay. Minsan, may isip mo, tawagan ko kaya yung pinsan mo, halimbawa, pinsan mo matagal mo nang hindi nakikita. Tapos pagtawag mo sa kanya, oh, I was just thinking about you. Di ba minsan may ganon? So, that is mental energy. You sent it, no? Or the cousin sent her thoughts to you, yung energy na yun, and nakarating sa'yo. That's why you suddenly thought of having the urge to call a family member. Pagka ngayon, itong ating mental energy din ay klaro, then you can work faster. So, unahin natin yung mga urgent and important and then makaka-relax ka. You can finish all your work in 3 hours rather than dragging it throughout the day. Then you have more time to do other things that are more creative. And the last is spiritual energy. If a person has spiritual energy, people around him or her feel peace, calm, tranquility, and serenity. Ayan. So, ano bang positive effects pag meron tayong energy? Yung self-esteem natin tumataas. No? Kasi we have mental power. Kasi klaro tayo, we have energy, mas nakakaisip tayo. Yung mental and emotional powers natin ay gumagana. And then, of course, if you have energy, you're confident with the way you carry yourself, with the way you talk to your clients, and meron kang confidence in what you're saying. Of course, if you have the energy, then you're able to do things. Paano kasi kung naantok ka, wala kang energy, ay, ayoko ni magluto, magkape, ayaw mo. So, kailangan ang energy to do things. And of course, nasa said earlier, a more focused and creative mind. Asan ba nanggagaling ang energy na yan? So, ikaw, you're made up of 3 components as a human being, no? You have your body, which is the personality. You, as a human being, called the personality. Meron kang soul, and then the spirit. The spirit is the highest self. That's your connection to the divine. So, 3 yung ating levels. Ngayon, para lang ma-establish ko kung ano ba itong sinasabi kong yung mga aura or yung mga energy centers, malapit na tayo doon. Ito lang yung sa aura, no? Meron tayong 3 levels. So, this is the physical body, like you can touch, no? Like a cellphone. Bagong bagay yung cellphone ko. Yan ang latest model ng iPhone. iPhone 20. So that's the physical body is the hardware. And then the etheric or the bio-vitality, yun yung malapit sa ating body. Tapos, emotional body, yung feelings natin. Okay? Physical, vitality, which is the energy. Emotional, which is the feelings. And then mental, yung ating thoughts. So, yung thoughts tsaka feelings, hindi pareho yun, ha? So, thoughts are for thinking, emotions are for feelings. So, yung thoughts at saka yung feelings, yun yung software ng ating cellphone, ng ating body. Okay? Ayan. So, klaro yan, ha? Now, for more accurate description, ito mas bago pa to, Motorola. So, yung physical body is the phone, etheric and astral body, yung software. Tapos, yung mental software also. Yung spiritual connection, yun yung antenna. Okay? That's the antenna. That's your spiritual body. Now, let's talk about the energy centers. Meron tayong 4 na pag-uusapan. Ito yung, marami tayong energy centers, no? Ayan, marami siya. Pero 4 lang yung itatouch natin today. Crown, energy center at the top of your head. So, ito yung ating spiritual, more on spiritual intelligence, psychic intelligence, and wisdom. And then Ajna, it's the mid-brow. So, this stimulates the mind and the focus and the mental will. And then the heart, ito naman yung energy center, seat of love. Kailangan natin palagi ng love, peace, conscience, at nandito yung thymus gland natin, which is part of our immune system. So it's very important na hindi tayo laging galit kasi magkakasakit tayo immune system natin. Magsasuffer. So this is your emotional intelligence. Spiritual, crown, mental, ajna, heart, emotional. So this is what we need to have: conscience and compassion and empathy to the needs of others. And last is the navel, yung ating puso, which was connected to our mother, yung tayo yung nasa tiyan niya. No? This is the center of internal power. Diyan nanggagaling ang ating longevity. Alam niyo ba yung mga Hapon, mga piloto ng Hapon ng World War II, yung mga nag-suicide? Harakiri? Yes. Sa navel sila nagsasaksak. Siguradong patay. No? So, mahirap naman yata pugutan mo yung sarili mo, no? But to be sure na mamamatay sila, ang tarak nila dito talaga sa navel. So, that's how powerful it is na pag pinatay mo yan, wala na, dead bat ka na. So, that's your instinctive intelligence. Spiritual, mental, emotional, and instinctive intelligence. Ayan. So, game na tayo sa ating exercise. So, meron tayong 8 steps, 8 exercises, and then 3 breathing techniques. So, yun yung 4 steps natin na gagawin. Okay? So, game na tayo. Tatayo tayo lahat.
Yes po.
Tayo na tayo. Bubuksan ko tong isang camera ko. Okay. Paki-off na lang. Okay. Ay, stop share ako, no?
Yes po.
Na-stop mo na?
Opo.
Okay. Okay. Hang on. Ayusin ko lang itong aking display. Okay. Kita ang baso ko. So, kita niyo ako lahat?
Yes po.
Okay. So, we'll do very, very simple movements. Hindi natin kailangan ng special clothes. Kahit naka-shorts, pantulog, kahit anong suot natin, pwede. At isang maliit na lugar lamang, no? Wala tayong equipment. So, this will revitalize you and rejuvenate you when you're feeling low bat and lulugo-lugo. Okay? First is the breathing technique. So, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Let's try. Begin. Medyo mabilis, no? Ang inhale tsaka exhale. Hindi mabagal na relaxed breathing. So it's rapid breathing. We need oxygen to reach the brain, okay?
Yeah.
So game. Shoulder spine stress release ang tawag dito para mawala yung ating mga matigas dito sa leeg, sa shoulders when we're facing the computer the whole day. So we have to drain the lymphatic system. We will activate the thyroid. Okay? So release the stress and tension pati sa jaw and sa spine. Watch me first. So hands in front. Tapos pag inhale, look up and then raise your arms up. Exhale down. Side view, pakita ko. Inhale. Curl your spine. Curl your spine and look up. And then curl down. Curl out.
Turn down.
Up. Inhale up. Exhale down. So yung chin, dumidikit sa chest. Okay? Ready? Let's do 10 counts. Begin. Last.
Yeah.
Okay. Siguro ipin mo ako. Jella. Jella, yung isa.
Spotlight
Pakipin para full screen.
Yeah.
Yan. Okay. Okay. And then next, we will do arm swings. This is good for asthma patients and emphysema or people with shallow breathing. So same hand position sa harap. And then pag inhale, raise up. And then exhale, parang backstroke sa swinging. Swing. Ready? Begin. Last. Okay. Next, hip rolls. Alam nyo, yung ating intestines, parang, ang design niya parang brain, di ba?
Opo.
So, pagka block tayo dito, hindi pupunta yung energy sa utak natin. If you're blocked in your hips, you're blocked in the mind. So, kailangan i-move ang hips. No? Ganito lang yung gagawin natin sa hip roll. So, parang front, right, back, left. So, ikot.
Kailangan ko din tumayo.
Talaga. Tapos yung ulo, straight lang ah.
Straight lang po.
It's not like that.
Opo.
Okay?
Straight
Just
lang.
keep your head straight. Yeah. And just the hips moving. Opposite.
Opposite.
Last. Okay. Hindi pala ako naka-mirror. Okay. So, pag niro-rotate natin yung hips, no? The energy goes into our head. So, pansinin nyo yung mga tao na may Parkinson's or yung mga bata may ADHD, no? They can hardly move their hips. So, lahat ng movement natin has to be flowing and it comes from the middle part of the body. So, pati ang sex appeal and charisma, magnetism, it comes from the sexual energy, which is around the hip area. So, if you're able to move your hips, then yung fire goes up and your body feels warm. Gusto ba natin yon? Gusto ba natin magka-boyfriend? Magka-girlfriend?
Kamay.
So, yes. So, yung sexual energy, dapat nare-release so that we can attract the other person. Pala yun.
Yung pala
So,
yung
kailangan
packet para sa February, may padating.
Oo, dapat nagsisirculate yung fire, no? So, by doing this, hindi lang din yung energy mo, pati sa earth. O, di ba? So, mamaya naglalakad si Glenna pag ganyan, no? Tama ba? Tama. Yan. Okay, next. Internal organ massage. We will compress our intestines para magkaroon siya ng massage. Sa gym, hindi natin ginagawa itong mga organs. So, hindi naman pinapansin yan sa mga gym workout. Now, this is a very important exercise. We call it an internal organ massage. Now, to do this, your feet apart, hip width distance, and then knees slightly bent. And then I will ask you to expand and compress your stomach with a breath. So inhale, expand. Exhale, compress. Ganito. Okay? Let's do 15. Okay. Maraming emotional
Nahirapan yung belly
stress.
ko dun, ma'am.
Maraming emotional stress dito. So, dapat i-flush out yan. Lalo mga taba-taba nyo. So, ito na. Yung promise ko kanina. Kung lagi nyong gagawin. To lose weight, do 5 sets of 10 counts. So, 50 times total, no? It will help develop the strength, elasticity of your abdominal muscles to support your back. And this is also good for bowel movement and constipation. So, hanggang 50 lang ha. Wag o-over. Wag o-over sa ating exercise. All right. Okay, so next is expanding squats. Dito, ma-develop natin yung bones and muscles. No? So, feet apart. As wide as you can. And then, Hands on the heart. Inhale. When you exhale, expand your arms to the side
Hold.
while going down. Teka lang, atras akong konti. Tumatama ako doon. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue. Last. Okay. Now, for these squats, you can also think or focus on your mid-brow and then your navel and then the base of your spine, no? Yung dulong-dulo ng ating spine to activate your material energy. Yes? Gusto natin yan?
Yes.
Sige, gawa pa tayo ng 10. Ready? So focus on the 3 points. Mid-brow, navel, and base of spine. Sa base of spine, ang gagaling ang ating material energy. So if that's activated, then we attract more material things. Ready? Inhale. Exhale up. Inhale. Exhale. Continue. Last. Okay. Next is upper body turns. So, tatalikod ako to demonstrate. Watch me first. So, arms up. Arms up ganito. Fists together. And then inhale to the right. Exhale to the left. Kasama yung head. Exhale. Okay? Begin. Last. Shake head. Left to right. Pag nahihilo. With the breath. Other side. And inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Begin. Last. Okay. Shake hands. How do you feel?
Pala yung
Too much
secret. Oh, para hindi nahihilo.
Too much oxygen ba? Kasi shallow breathers kayo, no? Ayan. So, hindi tayo sanay masyado nag-i-intake ng maraming oxygen. That's why we get a little dizzy. And you can correct it with just the
Yes.
head shake with the breath. Okay? So, for the next movement, it's a full body stretch. Now, saan ang ating second heart? Nandito, oh. Dito. So, this will help you with your blood pressure. And, pagka na-stretch natin yung spine, then, we become a little bit taller. Yung may mga pitimini dyan. Okay. Sit together. Hands on the heart.
Miss Minty, wala ka po. So, or sit on my own end. Miss Maan?
Last. Okay, that's the whole body stretch. Pati dito sa side na address natin yung mga muscles. So lahat itong 8 movements natin na ginagawa, lahat pati organs ay kasali sa ating exercise. So for our last exercise, feet apart, hands on the waist, and then watch me first. So inhale, and then hold your breath, and then bend to the right, bend to the left, center, exhale, like this. Watch me first. Hold, exhale, inhale. Okay, let's begin. 10 counts. Ready? Begin. Last. Okay. Ayos ba? How are you
Yes.
feeling?
Yes.
Sige.
Good. Stretch.
Balik ako dun sa isang ano. Okay. Wow, may pa-heart.
Yan. Heart, heart, heart.
May pa-heart, heart, heart. Ayun.
Ayan, ang daming heart, clap, and heart. Ayan.
So, yun, napakasimple lang at parang lahat naman kayang gumawa, no? What
Yes.
do you think?
Yes, madali lang po siya actually. Tapos kailangan natin, everyday lang natin siyang gawin.
At saka, pagka, halimbawa lang naman na may hinihintay ka lang na something, you can do it sitting down.
Apo.
Start my video nga naman. Oo.
Apo.
You can do it sitting down, no? Kahit gumaganyan-ganyan ka, di ba?
Apo.
Yeah, right? So, you can do it whenever you need it. At for instantly, halos a few minutes, you'll feel energized. It's also the breath that really makes it work.
Walang
Okay?
guys. So, nakaupo o nakatayo, pwede nyo siyang gawin.
Walang excuse, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, share ko ulit yung screen ko, ha? Ayan. So, punta naman tayo dun sa breathing exercises. Okay. So, this synchronized breathing involves breathing and your abdominal movement and a hand position. So, this will rapidly release stress and calm the emotions, activate and align your chakras. Yung pinag-usapan natin, no?
Yes.
Yung crown, mid-brow, and navel.
Heart and navel.
Yes. So, I will tell you what to focus on. So, yung mga may high blood pressure, glaucoma, migraine, neck injury, heart condition, or pregnant, hindi po pwedeng gumawa nito. Kasi, at saka yung mga bagong kain dyan, nakalimutan ko sabihin, wag bago. Wag mo nang kumain.
Naman.
Pero okay lang. Siguro naman, after 45 minutes, medyo natunaw-tunaw na yun. Ano? So, kasi pagka kailangan yung blood na sa digestion eh. Anyway, this is your first time naman, just watch if you cannot do it yet. So, that hand position, triple finger mudra, so thumb, forefinger, pointing finger and middle finger. And then the last two, you tuck in. And then put on your lap face up, facing the ceiling. Okay, yan yung ating position. So, keep your spine straight and your feet flat on the floor. And I want you to close your eyes. We will use the breathing technique. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. When we inhale, open your eyes first and watch me. So when we begin, we exhale first, chin down, and then inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, look to the ceiling. Exhale, touch chin, touch the chest. Okay? Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Exhale first. Chin touching the chest. Exhale. Ready? Begin. Inhale up. Exhale down. Nose up. Mouth down. Continue. Last. Head straight. I want you to focus on your chest or your heart. Breathing through the nose normally. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Just focus on your heart. Second set, synchronized breathing. When you inhale, inflate your abdomen. And when you exhale, compress your abdomen like we did before. So ready, exhale first, chin down. Ready, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Nose, mouth. Continue. Last, head straight. Relaxed breathing through the nose. I want you to focus on your chest and your mid-brow to activate your energy centers for your emotions and your intellect. Relax. Third set, synchronized breathing. Exhale first, chin down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Nose, mouth. Continue. Last. And keep your head straight, eyes closed. Relaxed breathing through the nose. Focus on your heart, your mid-brow, and the top of your head or your crown, or your divine connection, your wisdom, discernment, decision making. Focus on these 3 points simultaneously. top of the head, brow, and chest. Okay, open your eyes. How do you feel? Did you sense your inner self? Is there tranquility or disturbance? Internal stillness,
Yes.
inner elegance and calm. It brings self-esteem, self-composure, self-worth, and self-confidence. It is not rocked by anybody around you. Hindi ka natitinag if you have that centering practice. So think of your crown, mid-brow, and the middle of your chest.
Yes. I feel
Okay ba? Okay ba? Kamusta yung participants natin? Are you still awake?
Guys, bigyan niyo na kami ng heart reaction dyan. Ayan, mga nakatama. Yes, thank you so much.
So if you're having a hard time falling asleep, lalo na kung panggabi yung iyong duty, ang inyong trabaho, then you can also do this. No, just sit at the edge of your bed, feet flat on the floor, and just do this synchronized breathing. Mga 3 sets. And focusing on your heart, your mid-brow, and your crown. Okay, next. Combination breathing. So ito, meron din tayong mga precaution, yung may mga sakit sa puso, or chest pain, cancer, high blood pressure, mga dreaded diseases or bleeding problems, glaucoma, headache, migraine if you're pregnant. So, kasi ini-stimulate natin yung energy, no? So, we don't want to activate yung mga hindi dapat i-activate if you're suffering from something. Okay. So, ito naman is called combination breathing. So, the thumb will be enclosed by the 4 fingers in a fist. And then, ganun din, nakataas, no? Just put on your lap. Now, this hand position, or we call it mudra, hindi mother ha, mudra. This mudra boosts your power and stimulates a lot of heat energy and yung fire, no? Yung fire, inner fire natin that we need for our creativity, for our art, no? Yan. So, meron tayong tatlong stages ng breath. From abdominal to chest. From abdominal to chest to shoulder. So, magsisimula sa abdomen, and then chest, and then shoulder. So, ganito siya. So, inhale. So, dito unti-unti tumataas, no? Like you're doing a full breath, no? Hindi ganun lang. Hindi ganun lang. Okay? So, start from the abdomen, and then the chest, and then the shoulder with the hand position. This is the combination breathing. Now, since most of you will do this for the first time, we'll just do 8-4-8-4 combination. Meaning, 8 inhale, 4 hold, 8 counts exhale, 4 hold. So, ganito, no? Inhale, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, and then hold 4 counts. Inhale 8 counts, hold 4 counts, exhale 4 counts, and then hold 4 counts. Okay? Let's begin. Hand position. Close your eyes. I will do a fast count para hindi kayo masyadong mahirapan kahit first time. So empty. Exhale first. All the air. Exhale. Ready? Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Continue with your own count. 8, 4, 8, 4. Okay. Open your eyes. So this breathing technique will make your energy very dense and strong internally. Internal stamina doesn't just come from power of muscles, no? It's the ability to store energy and to sustain like a battery. Pagka yung phone natin hindi na ma-charge ng mahusay, gusto na nating palitan, no? But of course, our body is perishable. Kaya kailangan matuto siyang mag-store ng energy to sustain us through the day, through the projects, through our job, to taking care of our family and all our obligations. So, yung muscles natin and bones get more dense and resilient. Ito yung makakatulong sa ating anti-aging, this combination breathing. You know, I have a friend who ran a marathon. Medyo, yun, nalulubat na siya, no? And then he did this hand position and he was able to finish it. Sabi niya, friend, ang galing pala nung Mahamudra, no? So, ginawa niya yun. And if you're running, kasi hindi ako runner, no? So, maybe you can try it. If it works for you, then let us know. So, ganun lang, no? Until you can manage it, ang talagang count is 10, 5, 10, 5. Okay? So, from the abdomen. So, dapat talagang parang nag-expand yung chest, no? Tapos pag habang nag-exhale ka, parang yung gulong or yung rubber tire, no? Na dinedeflate mo. Ganun dapat yung effect niya. So, inhale. And then hold. And then exhale. You bring everything out. Okay, you can practice that on your own. Now, the last is our navel breathing. So, ito naman, ang gagawin natin para dito. We want you to, parang good to sustain your power. Alam niyo ba yung harmlessness? Ito kasi kahit may power ka but you don't use it to harm other people, then that's more powerful. If you can master harmlessness, then you can sustain your power. Kasi masama yan pag meron kang alam na power or meron kang skill na gagamitin mo sa masama, no? Nagbo-boomerang yan eh. So harmlessness, heart conscience, yan, kailangan yan para sa ating power development. That's why lahat ng mga techniques natin, kasali yung heart, no? Heart development technique. Without the heart development, power can be disastrous and dangerous. Kagaya nung dati nating president, di ba? All power, all will, di ba? Walang heart, walang empathy, walang compassion. So, yeah, anong nangyari sa atin if it's lacking? If our leader lacking in heart, then hindi rin maganda yung nagiging palakad. So this will increase the stamina and vitality at yung ating breath, no, because using the navel is a point in our body where you can experience external now or the power of being or the spontaneity of being here. Yung balanced energy. Yung ating ginagamit na technique is just be alive. Yung ibig sabihin ng BE ay balanced energy. So it will stabilize your instinct. So this is your instinctive intelligence and improves your ability to move and react. Mamaya, kung anak natin may mahuhulog, yun. So, nai-improve. Kagaya ko, nung minsan, meron akong kinukunang video, no? Tapos nahulog yung phone. Nasa loob, sabi nung aking kasamahan dito, oh, maybe that was great. Your naval energy is working. So, kung araw-araw naman, minsan gusto ni Master Delpe mga 1 hour. Okay po, Master. Sige, so yung hand position natin, left hand over right hand. Tayo lang ako ng konti. Left over right. Okay? So cup your right hand under your belly button. And then put your left palm on your right palm. Join your thumbs together and form a circle. So yung thumbs nakadikit sa tiyan. Ayan. Okay? So this is our hand position. Now close your eyes. Keep your head straight. We will breathe through the nose. Relaxed breathing. Nothing else on your mind but your navel. Imagine you're recharging your battery with your breath. If you get distracted, just go back to the navel and continue breathing for a few minutes here. Okay, open your eyes. Kumusta naman?
Yan. Thank you.
How's everybody?
Mga
Ayun, may
nagka-comment and mga nagla-like.
Okay. So, yun yung ating 4 steps. And then, meron tayong pwede natin gawin yung regular. Teka lang, share ko. So, when to practice? Mga 3 times a week. Wag niyo munang i-overdo. Tapos, best to do it in the morning, shower first, then exercise, then eat. Hindi advisable na kumain muna bago mag-exercise. Pero kung nakakain na kayo, wait 2 hours after a meal. So, exercise in an area where there is good air circulation kasi yung breathing, 'di ba? Huwag tayo magpa-practice sa garahe or sa sa pila ng FX, no?
Pollution.
Shuttle. Oo, pag nasa paano wala hindi magandang effect. So, take a shower first, as I said, before exercising kasi tinaas mo yung energy mo tapos maliligo ka, edi para mong binuhusan ng tubig yung electricity, di ba? Kasi ang taas ang taas ng energy tapos parang your Tagalog babantuan eh. So, hindi ma-retain yung energy that you built up during the exercise. And then, again, no, kung meron tayong dinaramdam, huwag nating pilitin. Kung hanggang saan lang tayo kaya. And then we slowly build up. So, ayun yung mga pinagbabawal natin. SB, synchronized breathing, combination breathing, internal organ massage, and navel breathing. Okay. So, ano po ang inyong feedback? Pwede ba ako magpa-feedback, Glenna?
Yes po. Nasend ko na po guys yung link
Okay.
sa ating chat box. So please send a feedback through this link. And then,
Yes.
i-review po ni Miss Minty yan. Okay? And
Ayan. How I can improve it and para mas marami tayong matulungan.
ayan po.
Ayan.
May mga
And,
message po sila dito sa Q&A tab.
ganun ba? Okay, teka lang. So, ito pala yung aking contact details. So, ito nung bata pa ako. Bata-bata, ayan. So, that's my email address and my contact number. Meron tayong Viber at saka WhatsApp. And then,
promote. Pwede na po.
okay.
I-promote po.
Sige. So, our main website is masterdelpe.com. We have our store there. We have books and we have downloads. May download nung Just Be Alive, no? Murang-mura lang, parang wala pang 500 pesos, no? So, you have your own copy. Tapos, meron kayo, Minty. Use code Minty for 5% discount. Alam mo naman ng Pinoy. And then we have workshops and retreats. We have healing. Kung nagme-maintenance na kayo, ibig sabihin incurable na yon. Kasi hindi ka tumitigil uminom, di ba?
Opo.
So if you have, we can help you with cancer, diabetes, high blood, ADHD. So lahat ng mga attendees, if your clients or your boss needs mentoring, we also do business feng shui. When is the best time to do the right thing? Signing contracts, buying, properties. We also do that consulting. Tapos, we have retreats. You can come here to the village, sa MDP Village. Malapit lang, dito lang sa Ilocos Sur. punta kayo dito. Just get in touch if you need anything. We also have meditation. We have meditation programs and downloads that you can buy from the store. Ayan po, masterdelpe.com/online store. May time pa ba tayong mag-meditate?
Meron pa naman po.
O sige, dadagdag ko na yan.
May pa-bonus. Yan.
Ay pa bonus.
Okay po.
Kung ma-stop ko yung share. Asa na? Stop share. Okay. Sige. Ano lang to? 7 minutes lang to.
Okay po.
Okay, music. Okay. Where? Okay. Sige. Relax kayo muna. Close your eyes. Just share my music. Meron? Start your day with good intentions and express good wishes to as many people as possible. The way you start your day determines the flow of events throughout the day. Now, silently express gratitude for your life and to the source of life, your heart. Express this silently using your heart. Be grateful for your life and to the source of life. Sense it from your heart. Gratitude. Express it as if this were your last time to do so. Now, be aware of your highest potential in the future, your highest life development. Just salute, expressing deep love, respect, and gratitude to your future potential. Also, silently express your good intentions and wishes to your loved ones, your family, friends, and co-workers, clients, whom you will meet throughout the day. Visualize that your relationship with everyone is enhanced. Now visualize or form the intention that your whole day is very successful and that your goals for the day have been achieved. See yourself happy and harmonious at the end of the day. If you have personal problems, visualize them being resolved. Be sure to focus on positive outcomes only. silently say, life is good. I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful to life. Life is good. Life is good. I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful to life. Life is good. My life is great. I am so blessed. I am so grateful to life. Life is good. Bring this inner feeling of harmony, peace, stillness, and dynamic energy to your whole day. Open your eyes and smile.
Thank you for that, Miss Minty.
Ayan. Okay.
Touch.
Hmm?
I'm touched.
So ito, maganda to sa morning talaga ginagawa, no? Tapos, just, good thoughts and good wishes, deep love, respect, and gratitude for our lives. Kasi we're still here.
Yes, life is good.
Life is good. Okay.
All right. So, I think that's the end of our session, Miss Minty. Tama
Yes
po.
po.
All right.
Maraming salamat
Ayan,
sa inyong
maraming
imbitasyon.
nag-heart. Yes po. Heart, heart, heart. All right. So, Ma'am, Miss Minty, meron po kayong mga courses. Tama po. Yun po yung
Marami kaming courses on self-care, self-development. If you want to study energy healing, pwede rin. We do certification. In 4 months, we can already certify you if you do of course, may practicum, practice cases and everything. So, it's a very scientific class, no? Dahil our founder, Master Del Pe, was an engineer. So, very scientific yung utak niya. So, siya lahat gumawa niyan ng mga courses, ng healing, meditation. He incorporates yoga and martial arts. He was a martial arts studio owner in Saudi Arabia. So, we do also martial arts for willpower. So, meron akong nakitang tanong pag may high blood, ano daw?
All breathing exercises, bawal po daw ba sa high blood?
Yung basta high blood? May sinabi ba akong high blood?
yung dun po sa chart yata na pinakita kanina.
Yung mga exercise, but the breathing, no?
It's good.
Normal lang naman yung nose and mouth, no? So, how to keep positive po kahit puro negative nangyayari po sa buhay, like me always applying, puro rejection po. Parang ibang topic na to.
Oo nga.
Pero, ako kasi, I don't really dwell on the negative. Maybe it's not for you. Kung ano man yung rejection na natanggap mo sa trabaho. Maybe hindi lang talaga nagtutugma, no? Because there's always the right timing for everything. Kung ikaw naman hindi ka rin ready for that job or may kulang talaga dun sa skill mo, then you have to develop your skill also. Kasi, syempre, ano naman yan, kailangan mag-match. yung skill mo plus the requirement of the job, no? And yun, good thoughts kasi pag nag-dwell ka doon, mapupunta ka sa depression and anxiety. So, I think energy will help you, no? The build up of the energy so that you'll be more positive. Tapos pag nag-apply ka, ay, maganda ang energy niya. Okay. So, kasi kung negative pa lang, kinalungkot ka, kung lagi kang nare-reject, baka yun din yung pinoproject mo. And kung baka ma-reject na naman ako dito. Baka hindi ako matanggap. So, hindi ka matatanggap pag ganun yung inyong attitude, no? So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, yung highest potential, you visualize that you'll be successful, that you can achieve this project, or that you can finish it, or you can get this job. It takes practice. Hindi naman yung bukas, ngayon inisip mo bukas matatanggap ka na. Hindi rin ganon. And you also need to build the skill and the personality, yung character, no? Lahat yan tinitingnan na ngayon ng mga employers kasi tinitingnan yung Facebook mo. Baka naman sa Facebook natin, ano lang tayo doon, nagwawalwal tayo doon, di ba? So, iba ng labanan ngayon Kasi nung
Online.
ako nagtatrabaho, wala, papel lang, no? They don't have anything to check na walang Facebook, walang ano. So, we have to be careful how we project ourselves. So, yun yung masasabi ko sa'yo. I hope it helps. Tapos, itong hemorrhagic stroke survivor, medyo hindi tayo expert dito, no? But if you are interested in our healing modality, we can give you a 30-minute free consult, no, to assess your condition and how we can help you. So just contact me. Nandyan yung ating pakilagay ko nga yung
Contact.
number ko. Ayun, siya rin pala yun. Where we get the sound. Ay, original music yan ni Master Delpe. Kung gusto mo, meron
No
din
copyright, Amy.
may just be free meditation, then download in the store, no? Just search, just be free. It's about bawal sa high blood. Diba? Kailangan. Ano yung sinabi kong bawal sa high blood? So na aking keynote. Ay, nawala. Dali lang po.
Yan,
Ito na.
Okay.
Ito na. Tapos, bawal sa pregnant high blood. Yung combination breathing. Kasi, dinidiin mo yung chan mo So, anything that you do on your abdomen, hindi tama sa pregnant and high blood. So, siguro i-address muna natin yung high blood bago tayo makagawa nito mga exercises na to. Or do the mild version lang. Just whatever you can. No? I mean, it won't do you any harm to breathe. No? So, it will still help kahit yung breathing lang na through the nose and through the mouth. Basta, ang pinaka non-helpful sa lahat yung shallow breathing na hanggang dito na. Because that's stressful. No? Pag nininervyos ka, ganun, namamadali ka, ganun ka lang huminga. Diba? Yeah. Okay. Glaucoma, cancer. Teka lang. Papadala ko na lang kay Glenna. Sa ano yan yung mga breathing techniques? Wait, bakit di ko na siya makita? Okay, sige. Any other question? Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Super.
Yes. Nag-enjoy ba kayo, guys? Bigyan nyo naman
Parang
thumbs
hindi,
up.
parang di naman eh.
Yan. Ayan po, ang dami na po.
Nag-feedback ba kayo?
Ayan.
Nag-feedback ba kayo?
Yes po. Alright?
Wala, hindi ko makita yung aking page. Okay. Saan na? Sige, padala ko na lang sa'yo, ha?
Okay po. Yes.
And then you can share it with them. Ayun. So, thank you. Thank you na. Tapos na?
Apo. Bali guys, na-send ko, please follow our social media platforms. We have Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. So kapag may mga, patulong na lang din po sa mga scammers na ginagamit yung aming pangalan para sa may mga small tasks, tas i-direct kayo sa, call this, Telegram.
Ano?
Wala po kaming
Ano ba
ganun.
ganon?
Yes. Wala kaming Telegram
Grabe
account. May mga nanggagamit po na may hinihinging pera. Wala po kaming hinihingi. Like for this one, this is for free. And yes, yung mga weekly webinars po natin, meron po tayong free certificate for each webinars. Okay? Like for now, nagpahinga lang po muna tayo para ma-address natin yung ating mental or ating sarili. And that is to answer how to handle our daily stress and fatigue with Miss Minty. Okay? Miss Maan, anything else you want to add?
I want to say thank you to Miss Minty. So, sobrang na-enjoy namin itong session na to. And it's really good for everyone. Alam niyo naman ngayon, masyado ng maraming stress sa
Yes.
buhay natin. So, it's actually good that we can adjust that para maging tayo, peaceful. We have peace of mind.
Yes.
Ayun pala yung combination breathing. Yung
Combination.
combination breathing, yung 10 counts tapos 4 hold.
Apo. Bali,
Yun pala yung
Apo. Mag-picture taking na tayo. Taas ang kamay sa mga gustong mag-picture take.
picture taking. Okay.
Ayan. Pa-promote lang po natin. So, ayan.